Automatic recall will be used to optimize the recall reminder process. User simply selects all procedure codes that need recalling, and every time they complete treatments with those codes, iDentalSoft will automatically recall patients. To set up automatic recall, click on the setting icon, then click Settings and choose Recall. Click the green button to add new recall type. Recall type setting pop-up will be shown. Interval. Enter standard intervals for years, months, weeks, and days. Name. Enter recall name. Description. Explain details of the recall. Select category and procedure code from the list on the drawdown menu. Please note that each recall will go with one procedure code only. Click green plus icon to add individual procedure codes. Please remember to click Save icon when you are done. Refresh the page after that. Go back to Settings and recall to check the one you have just created. It must be on the end of a list. Also, if you want to edit a recall, click on a recall and click the pencil edit icon. As you can see here, I'm trying to change the detail of this recall. Remember to click Save icon when you are done. You can also delete a recall by choose one and click on the delete icon. Click Yes to confirm. And it was deleted. Next, I will show you how to check the recall interval for the treatment. First, let's pull out a test patient. Select Treatment, then Treatments. Insert the appropriate procedure code with a recall reminder. For example, D0120, and click on the CP button, which means treatment completed. You're going to see a warning pop-up like this. You can also check the recall list detail by click on this RC icon on right corner. This is the recall we just created. It will include the treatment creation date and the corresponding recall return date. Return to the calendar and navigate to the date when the patient is scheduled to revisit for their treatment. Double-click on the calendar to open the Made Appointment screen. Input all the necessary information for the appointment. Then, on the right corner, click on the Link Recall icon. Choose the right treatment and click Select. Remember to click Save icon when you are done. The appointment for recall was created successfully. Additionally, within 1 month of the recall date, whenever you add the recall treatment, in this case D0120, it will automatically be linked to the recall. The recall appointment will added successfully. You can print out a recall list by selecting Print and then List. This helps to keep track of patients' future checkups. Select the recall range in the drop-down lists. Select a provider and click Search. By default, All Providers is selected, showing all recalls made by all providers. A list of recalls in selected month will be displayed. If you want to print out this list, there are 3 options for you. Click on this icon if you want to export an Excel file. Click Yes, and the file will be downloaded to your computer. Choose this icon if you want to print out as real paper. Choose the printer and click Print. If you want to print as label, please choose the last option. Choose the label printer and click OK. This is what it will print out, for example. Let me explain more option for recall list. The first option is Next Visit. You can search by either appointment or no appointment. If you choose to search by appointment, the system will generate a list of recalls that are linked to scheduled appointments. Conversely, if you search by no appointment, it will display a list of recalls that are not yet associated with any appointments. The next option is Status. A recall can have 3 types of status: Note, Appointment, and No Contact. You can update the status of a recall by navigating to the Recall Information section, selecting the recall, and clicking on the pencil Edit icon. Remember to click Save after making any changes. With this option, the system will generate a list of recalls based on the selected status. With the Note option, you can generate a list of recalls that contain a note. Additionally, you can search for a specific recall based on a particular note or filter recalls that have no notes. The last option is Recall Visit. If you search by appointment, the system will generate a list that includes a Recall Visit Day column. Conversely, if you search by no appointment, the list will not include recall visit dates. And that's it. You've successfully set up your recall system. With these settings in place, you can ensure timely follow-ups and keep your patients engaged. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching.